The Quran describes Jesus as the Messiah, al-Masar, and prophet, born from a virgin, Mary or Maryam in Arabic, performing miracles, accompanied by his disciples, and rejected by the Jewish religious establishment as a promised Messiah, but not as crucified or dying on the cross, nor resurrected, rather as miraculously saved by God and ascending into heavens. Jesus, son of Mary, is considered to be the second to last prophet and messenger of God and the Messiah sent to teach the children of Israel, or Bani Israel, through a book called the Injil, referred to as the Bible. This indicates that the prophet Jesus was sent by God for Bani Israel, evidently made clear the Jewish claim of Jesus was a Jew. According to Islam, Jesus was the continuation of prophethood, which started from Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Joseph, Moses, David, Solomon for the Bani Israel. Muslim believes that St. Paul tempered with the teachings of Jesus Christ and started the new religion as Christianity, where Jesus became a central figure. According to Quran, birth of Jesus begins with a prologue that relates the birth of his mother, Mary or Maryam in Quran, and her service in the Jerusalem temple while under the care of the prophet Zechariah, who would later become the father of Yahya, John the Baptist. The birth tale of Jesus is mentioned in Quran chapter 11, Surah Maryam. The story of the virgin birth begins with the angel Gabriel making an announcement to Mary as she is being reared in the temple after being promised to God by her mother. Gabriel declares that she is revered over all women of all nations and has delivered her the good news of a pure and pious son. Gabriel declares the son is to be named Jesus, the Messiah, proclaiming he will be called a great prophet. Mary, asking how she could conceive and have a child when no man had touched her, was answered by the angel that God can decree what he wills and that it shall come to pass. But Quran denies what Christians believe, that Jesus Christ is God incarnate, the Son of God in human flesh, while the Quran contradicts Jesus' divinity in various passages and implies that Jesus Christ did not claim to be personally God or Son of God. Quran relate it to a miracle by God, Allah. The Quran refers to Jesus as one of the greatest prophets and gives him many titles. Jesus' prophethood is preceded by that of Yahya, John the Baptist, and succeeded by Muhammad, of whom Jesus is said to have predicted under the name Ahmad. Quran also acknowledges the miracles and attribute at least 6 miracles to Jesus Christ. These 6 miracles in Quran are not in detail like the Bible, and some are not mentioned in Bible, for example. Speaking from cradle, Jesus spoke when he was an infant and declares himself the servant of God. This particular narrative is not found in Bible. Similarly, creating birds from clay. This miracle is mentioned in Quran but not in Bible. But other 4 miracles like healing the blind and lepers, raising the dead, knowledge of hidden and upcoming events, table of food from heaven are mentioned both in Quran and Bible. Quran also illustrate in Jesus ascending to heavens and second coming of Jesus, chapter 4, Surah Nisa. Quran mentioned Jesus was not crucified or killed, rather saved by God, and he was ascended to heavens. Islam also believes in second coming. According to Islamic teachings and ahadith, Jesus will return to earth before Judgment Day, amidst fights against al-Masih ad-Dajjal, the false Messiah, and his supporters. Jesus, dressed in saffron clothes and with his head anointed, would fall at the point of a white minaret in eastern Damascus, believed to be the minaret of Isa at the Umayyad Mosque. Well, that's all on Jesus Christ. In humble birth, the light of life was born, through teachings pure and miracles adorned. On Calvary's cross his sacred love displayed, rose from the dead, our everlasting aid. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Our message is respect humanity, respect all religions. God bless.